Hi guys, my name is Igor and today I will tell you how to give a second life to your vape. Before we start, I remind you that smoking is harmful and leads to many diseases and even death. I am a yacht engineer and cigarette smoking is strictly prohibited on most yachts, especially when guests are on board. But what to do if your vape is suddenly over and you don't have another one with you? Life hack that I am going to show you extends the life of your vape for about a day. Maybe this trick will help someone save some money, and as for me, I can wait for the time of arrival at the port to buy a new one. Let's start. We need our vape. Any wrench to open the vape. USB cable, which I previously cut. It has a red and a black wire. Red is plus and black is minus. And any phone charger block. We take a wrench and gently grab the bottom of the vape and carefully take it out. We can see that there is still liquid inside, but the battery is already dead. Since this vape is disposable, there is no way to charge it. I remove first protective sticker. And the second one. We will need them later. I take USB cable. It's a regular old USB cable. I connect red to red and black to black. I am using a crocodile clip here. If you do not have it, you can do like this. Insert the USB into the charger block. And plug it into the socket. Now my battery is charging. This is quite unsafe as this battery has no overcharge protection. I usually charge it no more than 10 to 15 minutes and never leave unattended. From time to time I check with my finger how hot it is. If it gets hot, I turn it off. Such a 10 or 15 minute charge is enough for me to use a vape for a day before I get a new one. Here I have a multimeter, so it is possible to check the charge level. If you have a multimeter, you can also do it. Now the battery is low and the multimeter shows 3.6 volts. After 10 to 15 minutes of charging, the multimeter will show from 3.9 to 4 volts, which means that the battery is fully charged. 15 minutes have passed. I disconnect the crocodile clip from the battery and pull the plug out of the socket. My connections do not look neatly, I know it, but it doesn't matter because it's a one-time thing. I also disconnect the battery from the USB. I put my stickers back as they prevent short circuit. And now in the same sequence I put it all back into the vape. Close it. Let's see. As you can see, it is working again. I remind you that smoking is killing. It was Kotov Fix channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.